You are going to love the 2025 Wagoneer S. The Jeep Wagoneer S is an all-electric SUV that combines rugged Jeep design with cutting-edge electric performance. Featuring a spacious interior, advanced tech, and off-road capability, it aims to offer a versatile and eco-friendly driving experience while maintaining the brand's adventurous spirit. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.